Everyone is very supportive. I learned a lot. DevSky में काम करते हुए मुझे कभी भी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ मुझे किसी चीज़ पे काम की वजह से फोर्स किया गया हो। यहाँ पे आपको उस चीज़ के लिए फोर्स नहीं किया जाता कि नहीं आपने सिर्फ काम ही करना है।
How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking.
I just had first of all asking about your experience at DevSky. What would you say about that?
So, telling you about my experience in DevSky. Back in 2022, I started as an intern. Here in DevSky, I learned a lot from my seniors, from my other colleagues, and from all departments. It was a good experience in which I have learned a lot, and in terms of my field, and morally and ethically as well. So overall, it was a very good experience.
If I ask you, what are some of the highlights or accomplishments you are most proud of?
I've learned a lot from all my colleagues and developed a number of apps. But the most crucial thing in my whole career at DevSky was that the app which and in that it was basically based on Canvas. It was a new experience for me on working on Canvas. So that was the most proudest moment for me when I accomplished that app.
How would you describe the company's culture and work environment? Is there any improvement that you can suggest us?
Company culture and work environment are the most beautiful thing in DevSky. Everyone is very supportive, all the staff, HRs, office boys and all the departments. Everyone is very supportive and no matter what, they are always here to help you.
अगर हम बात करें कि आपकी वर्क लाइफ कि आपकी कंपनी लाइफ से अलाइन थी कि बैलेंस थी, आप इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
जी बिल्कुल, DevSky में काम करते हुए मुझे कभी भी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि मुझे किसी चीज़ पे काम की वजह से फोर्स किया गया हो या काम की वजह से मुझे यहाँ पे रोका गया हो या किसी को भी ऐसा किया गया हो। तो मुझे ये चीज़ यहाँ पे अच्छी लगी थी कि अगर आपके फैमिली में या आपके हेल्थ में कुछ इश्यूज हैं तो यहाँ पे आपको उस चीज़ के लिए फोर्स नहीं किया जाता कि नहीं आपने सिर्फ काम ही करना है। तो यहाँ पे आपको फुल एक किस्म की आज़ादी मिल जाती है कि आप अपनी वर्क लाइफ को सेपरेट रखें और अपनी हेल्थ और फैमिली लाइफ को सेपरेट रखें।
साथ आप हमें कोई सजेशंस देंगे लाइक हाउ कैन वी इम्प्रूव आवर प्रोसेस, वर्क फ्लो और कम्युनिकेशन?
I have a bit of suggestions in improving the process and workflow in DevSky. My opinion is that when the employee is being evaluated, the evaluation report must be shared with the employee so that he or she can foresee the areas where he or she is lacking. And in this, when we do this, the employee can improve himself in those areas and can excel more in his career.
Okay, at last, I just want to ask you your final thoughts or message that you want to share with your colleagues or the organization as a whole.
Best wishes to DevSky and all the employees working here. I pray that DevSky excels more and more in the market. And final message to all employees that all the staff including HRs, CEO, office boys and everyone in every department that thank you for having me, thank you for supporting me and good luck for the future. Work hard, stay blessed.